In the next 3 minutes we will show you how to recook the delicious Firehouse Subs New York steamer. You can get a deluxe high quality deli sub in just a few minutes with some easy tricks. You have to try the sandwich, especially the method of steaming your meat and cheese. It is so easy but so good. All you need is some corned beef, pastrami and provolone, a nice hoagy bun, and for the sauces, Firehouse uses mayonnaise, mustard and an Italian dressing. So let's start. The base for the New York steamer is the Italian dressing. We could not find the exact recipe which Firehouse Sub uses, but we came up with our own Italian dressing, which was delicious and so simple. So in a mixer, just mix pickled bell pepper, lemon juice, agave syrup or honey, balsamic vinegar, vegetable oil and salt. Blend it up and add some olive oil. Add the olive oil after we have finished blending the other ingredients, otherwise the olive oil will get bitter. Also add some fresh minced garlic and there you go. Next we will take care of the bread. Butter up your hoagie bun and toast it in a pan. In the meantime, steam the meats and cheese. The New York steamer consists of pastrami, corned beef and provolone. Let it steam for 5 minutes. And just as quickly, it's already time to build it up. Drizzle some Italian dressing on top half of the hoagie. The lower half gets some mayonnaise and mustard. Now add your steamed meats and cheese and that's it. Add more dressing if you love sauces like we do. So simple but so flavorful due to the combination of the different meats and the delicious Italian dressing. This easy you can get your homemade deli high quality sub. Enjoy and let us know what we should recook next time.